my name's Allison. I'm the Programs, Outreach, and Youth Services Manager here at Monterey County Free Libraries. Thank you for joining me today for another episode of Backyard Science. Today, I'm not in my backyard, but I'm in a great big backyard of the Russian River. So I took a trip to the Russian River and I wanted to share some cool stuff that I saw around the river with you all. So let's go look at what I found. The first thing I wanted to share with you were these trees. And you might be thinking, well, I've seen trees before, why do I want to see more trees? Well, the last time I was visiting the Russian River and I was right here at this spot, this tree was standing upright. So you can see right there where it broke in half. But what I think is even cooler is the fact that you can see how high the river water got during the fall when the river rose up really, really high because they had a lot of rain. So we'll get closer and I will show you what I'm talking about. So the reason that I know that this tree was underwater is because it's covered in mud. So if you look at this tree at the bark, you can see it's just very cakey with mud, and you can compare that to the bark of a tree further up the bank where the water didn't reach as high. So this tree must have fallen down sometime during a storm and was submerged underwater and got the river mud and water on it. You can see the same thing with this tree. It's muddy, 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 and the further up you go, you can start to see where the bark doesn't have any mud, and you can see the difference in texture between the two. So you can kind of tell how high the water got, which is pretty impressive considering I'm almost 6 feet tall and it's higher than I am. This is a stretch of the Russian River. The Russian River is about 3 hours north from Monterey County, and it runs into the Pacific Ocean. So the last time that I was here, I took some kayaks out on the river, and I actually saw a family of river otters. I saw some fish, and I saw some little red crustacean-y things that are either crawfish or crawdads. And it was really cool because we saw the otter family fishing for these little guys, and you could hear the crunch, crunch, crunch as they ate them up. And that was really cool. And they were really, really bright red against this very muddy water. You can hear some birds chirping around us, and there's lots of greenery. So it's a very cool and fun place to explore. There are also a lot of bugs that I've seen. Just now, as I was about to record this video, I saw some really cool butterflies fluttering around me. One almost landed on me. There are also these weird bugs. I don't know what they are. I'll try to get a picture of them, but they're everywhere. They have dark shells, but when they open up their wings, they're very red on the inside. And they, like I said, are just everywhere, all over the ground. We also have seen some bats flying around at night down by the river. And those are really cool to see. They fly very sporadically around and they're off hunting for little bugs. Here are some of those bugs that I was talking about that are all over the place. You can see 2 of them crawling, and they can fly, which is pretty cool. Also kind of weird. I've seen them everywhere. Here's some more. Also surrounding where we're staying are these giant redwood trees. They're everywhere. They're so tall and so beautiful. And they smell good. There's the cool butterfly that I was talking about. Flew away. You can see it flittering around. There were 2 of them. They were kind of chasing each other. So that's it for my little backyard wander around the Russian River. If you've ever been to the Russian River, let me know what your favorite part was in the comments below. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye, everyone.